Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. Also share and forward to maximum number of students. So let us start today's lesson with a new topic, that is, we were learning properties of triangles. Today we will learn another property of triangle which is very important, that is angle bisector property. But it is angle bisector property. What is angle bisector of a triangle? The bisector of an angle. The bisector divides the angle into two congruent parts or two congruent angles. Clear? So here the property is related to the angle bisector of angle of the triangle. So here look at the figure. In triangle ABC, ray BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC. Means what? See the identical marks which represent these angles are congruent. Which angles? Angle ABD and angle DBC. This ray divides angle ABC into two congruent angles. Then ray BD is called angle bisector of which angle? Angle ABC or angle B. The ray BD, this angle bisector, intersects the opposite side. Definitely it will intersect. The ray we can extend at the point D. At the point D. Then by the point D, the opposite side divided into two parts. Correct? Which are they? AD and DC. The division of the segment into two parts. Which segment? The third side. The angle opposite to the bisector, or where the bisector intersects the side. That side divides into two parts in a particular ratio. What is that ratio? That ratio of the remaining two sides. The bisector of an angle divides the angle opposite, the sides opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining two sides. So which ratio is equal to which ratio? AD upon DC equal to AB upon BC. You have to take in the same order. If you take AD, that side you have to take. AB is on that side of the bisector where this segment lies. So in the same AD upon DC, then you have to take AB upon BC. You should not take BC upon AB. If you are taking CD upon DA, you have to take BC upon BA. In the same order. Clear? So what is this ratio? Ratio of the remaining two sides. This property is known as angle bisector property. So how you will say the statement of this property? The angle bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to it in the same ratio of remaining two sides. Understood? The bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to it in the same ratio of remaining two sides. Understood how to take the ratio? So according to the property, in triangle ABC, if ray VD is the bisector of angle ABC and intersecting the side AC at the point D, then AB upon BC equal to AD upon DC. Understood? This is the relation between the sides of the triangle and the bisector dividing the opposite side, segment into which the bisector divides the opposite side. They should be in the same ratio. Clear? And using this property also, you have to solve some supplication of this angle bisector. On seeing the question, you have to identify that you have to solve this using this angle bisector property. If you understood the property very well. Clear? For an example, in the same figure, BD is the bisector of angle ABC. If AB equal to given values, if AB equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 2 centimeter, AD equal to 2.4 centimeter, what is the value of AC? You have to find AC. So first you have to find DC from this relation. So substitute, first write, how to write? Ray BD is the bisector of angle ABC. Therefore, by angle bisector property, write the relation. Then substitute the given values. 4 upon 2 equal to 2.4 upon DC, cross multiplying 4 into DC equal to 2.4 into 2, or DC equal to 2.4 into 2 upon 4 equal to 1.2. Clear? So what is 1.2 centimeter? DC. The question is to find AC. So how to get AC? By the property of collinear points, AD plus DC equal to AC. So AC equal to AD plus DC. What is AD? 2.4. 2.4 plus 1.2. Answer 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 3.6 centimeter. What is the value of AC? 3.6 centimeter. 2.4 plus 1.2. So in this way we can solve sums using angle bisector property. I think you understood this property. It is very important. That is the end of today's lesson. Please watch each and every video of Mathline from beginning to end for better understanding. See you next week with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you.